Bisa masuk?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
This is pasar. Its name Transit Paso.
Look at that thing. That is crazy. Huh? This guy's a trip. Always dancing. You can see all this blue dye down here. I'm guessing from the paint. See if we can get a better look at what it looks like without getting wet. Wow. Look at that. Sounds like we have company too. Can you kapan tutup? When did this close? Money? No uang?
Yes.
No uang?
It's good.
Okay, so probably there was lack of funds, like a lot of buildings that you see like this in Indonesia. You see them, just like this. Maybe, this is maybe not even a quarter of the way done, just abandoned. So this never even opened. I guess they ran out of money building that blue dome up there. Curious what they're doing here. Sedang apa? Tidak tinggal di sini, ya?
Home mini.
Huh?
Home mini.
Home? Rumah?
Yeah, rumah. Tinggal sini.
Maybe? Okay, maybe it's some sort of... Maybe they do live here. The first floor doesn't look too bad. It looks like they got semi-closed. They put the tile in. The columns and everything are painted, the walls. But that's where it stops. We got the bathrooms over here. It's the Western style toilets. They got the tile put in over here too. We're looking for stairs to go up. Maybe over here?
Yes.
Okay.
Action film. Action, yes, here.
What happened? Oh, an action film. An action film.
Here.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, this would be perfect for a movie setting, right? Or places like this would be perfect for paintball or laser tag or those kind of games.
No.
Okay. Just wonder how solid this foundation is. It's pretty good. This might be one of the creepiest places I've ever been to. Hello. In Japan and Indonesia. Apa kabar? Baik, main? Let's go.
Market.
So,
Pasar.
there's a market over here, a pasar over here? Okay. And it looks like there's some sort of temporary housing down here.
Yeah. This is it.
The place is usually used to make films. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this would be perfect for movies and whatnot. Look at this.
You know parkour?
Huh?
You know parkour?
Parkour?
Parkour.
Parkour jumping and everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
This year.
Not for me.
You stay.
Parkour.
Picture?
Yeah.
You stay.
Oh yeah, this would be a dope place for a picture. Okay. Let me see over here real fast. 1 second.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. It's pretty nasty down here, so. Okay, let's go this way. I'm definitely wearing the proper shoes though. Not wearing sandals, not wearing my shoes, wearing my keens. My in-betweeners. Okay, looks like they never got to this dome. Man, me talking about my footwear, and these kids are walking around here barefoot. Wow. Nails and glass and all kinds of things like that on the ground too. Doesn't faze them. Okay. Let's go there. Woo. Like I said, it feels like a war zone, like a bomb went off here or something. Well, we're still not, we're a little bit higher up. Still hard to get a good look at it from right here though, without getting too close to the edge, and I don't want to do that. Are you okay, bike? Yeah? Kuat? Dang. Boys are walking around barefoot. Leave my mark. Okay?
Itu Anto punya stiker par kalau kamu nonton Anto di YouTube. Ah, dari ini. Itu namanya YouTube. Tahu YouTube? Tahu. Ah, buka.
See if anyone messages me from that sticker.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It's family.
1, 2, 3. 1, 1.
One no family.
Okay.
One is my friend.
Okay. We're here.
What's your
The
name?
family here. Here. Family. Share, okay? You say together, okay? Together, share. Okay? Go buy some ice cream or something. Yeah, that's the shot right there. Wow. That's the shot. Can I see? Let me see. They have their own. I like this. They all have their own homemade slingshots. Can I see?
School.
All right. Thank you guys. All right. Thank you. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you. Okay. Some more friendly kids here in Ambon. They didn't come up to me, start, telling me to F off or anything like that. They were nice. They were actually pretty shy at first. They wouldn't even, they kind of stayed away from me.
He's thinking for football.
Oh, I play soccer? No. Saya suka basketball. Basketball, yeah. Saya dari Amerika. Yes. So.
They are thinking for football.
Oh, they see me and they think I'm a football player, a soccer player. No, sorry kids, sorry to disappoint. I don't play soccer or football.
At night, many young people play here.
Okay, all right. So, seems like this might be a hangout for some of the locals at night. It's like they laid this last brick. They're like, okay, we're done. Let's get out of here. Okay. All right, that was pretty cool. Did you guys enjoy that? I will probably end up making this just one video. So
Go to
thanks for joining us. And from here, we're going to go to the beach and continue either the previous or the next video.
No.
Yeah. All right, guys. Peace. One of the craziest places I've ever been to. I know I say that a lot, but it's true.
Kakak bisa masuk?
Bisa.
Hello.
Okay, Universitas
So
Darussalam.
this is the entrance to a university. And yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing too well. Maybe go around? Yeah. The Universitas Darussalam Ambon. Islam?
Yes, that's so.
The Islamic University. But I don't think it's open. Buka.
Open.
Tutu?
Oh no, close.
It's closed.
It is
Yeah,
closed,
look
yes.
at this.
Close. It's time.
So, an entire campus that is closed. Okay, yeah, let's go, let's go. Yeah.
Guest house
they're housing?
Universitas. Campus guest house.
Well, it looks like some people still living back here. But most of them are closed up and shut down. See, it looks like there's housing way back there. Tutu, yeah.
Tutup. Close.
Yeah. This is so eerie. I mean, you go around this entire campus and you see the faculty building of something. Faculty apa?
Faculty
Darussalam.
Darussalam. Okay. Let me see. Can you hold that?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's just see if we can. That still has all the binders and all the office stuff in there. I mean, surely they don't use these buildings. You wouldn't think so. Wow, such a bizarre place again. Can't really see in there, but an entire campus abandoned. I'm gonna rock this like Ibnu. An entire abandoned campus. I've hit the Haikyuu jackpot. So yeah, this right here, I guess, is the mosque. Right in the middle of the campus, right in the entrance when you pull in. Stupid shit too. Damn it. That's gonna stink my room up. Damn it. Might have to go to the ocean. Wash these off. There's still chairs and things like that in there. Some of the desks. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Economy. Yeah, that's easy to translate. Let's go. I'm gonna go over here. Hello. Hey, tutu ya. Tutu. Kapan tutu? Maybe 5 lama or 5 tahun? 5 tahun sebelum? 3 tahun? 3 years? So before Corona. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Mine. Sedang. Mine.
Hello.
Hello. Apa kabar?
Apa kabar lagi? Hello. Apa kabar? Hello.
Baik.
Baik lagi.
Baik. Just a YouTuber. YouTuber. It's time to shine. There goes the middle finger. You want to know? Okay.
Me too. Hi.
Hai, apa kabar?
Masa YouTube.
ready. Wait.
Palangi.
Oh, I got it here.
Halo guys.
Kakak.
Okay.
Nanti kalau mau cari di YouTube, scan barcode ini. Atau cari nama di sini di YouTube.
Cek nama nanti scan.
Nikka.
Nikah.
Not Nikkei, Nikka.
Nikah. Scan by barcode ini.
Jangan lupa subscribe guys. Jangan lupa subscribe ya.
All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you.
Yo. Kembali lagi di sini YouTuber. Halo guys.
Alright, let's just run.
Okay. All right. See you.
Dadah.
Love to see that, don't you? Just love to see
I don't
that.
think for children.
Can you get out? I'm not that old. But we're back at the beach. Had to stop by here because we were walking around that abandoned campus. I stepped in some you know what. I'm hoping this will get it out. Get it off the bottom of my shoes. This is my favorite beach ever. I mean, I was just out there and I don't feel any sand in my shoe. Nothing. Nothing. It just washes right out. It's amazing. I think we're good. We're good. Perfect. Usually if you were to wear shoes like this to a beach, you get little bits of sand and rock all in your shoes, but I don't feel a thing. Amazing.
Sayonara. Sayonara. Oh.